Hi, this is Rick with Home Pro Inspections, and today we're going to talk about our Repair Request Builder. It's a tool that we have within our inspection reports that allows the realtor to go in and quickly and easily make a repair addendum to send back to the listing agent. So the first thing you do, well, you'll see here on the side, these little blue dots will show that we have something recommended in there, whether it's a maintenance or a safety or a recommended repair. So you go to the tools, repair, rebuild, or request, and then this document pops up. So you can name it whatever you want. Maybe you put in your client's last name in that. Client requests all repairs to be made by a qualified contractor. Now it allows you to go in and sort. You can either look at everything, repairs recommended, or safety hazards, recommendations and safety on that one. And what we try to impress on our clients is that houses are going to have maintenance stuff. You're always having things that need to be fixed. So let's focus on those things that you really want to base your decisions on. So the first one was a deck, and let's just pretend that the client was kind of a handyman, and he built a lot of decks when he was younger. So he wants $500, and then client will fix. Client's going to fix the railing, take care of that. Client's not comfortable with electricals, so he wants somebody to come in and take care of those two issues. And the other thing too is you can click on these to get a better idea anywhere in the report, better idea to see what's going on with those photos. Laundry, he wants to make sure that laundry vent is not plugged or anything because of that turbulence that was created from this little mess right here. Also wants to make sure that that's properly capped off so that we don't have any issues. And so those are the recommendations and safety hazard type stuff. But he did say that there's a couple other things that he wanted to have looked at. And this thing is pretty dirty. There's a lot of debris and stuff in here. He wants to have an HVAC person come in and take care of that. And then also this is kind of crooked, and maybe there's some debris and stuff in there that he wants to have taken care of. So while that HVAC guy is there, take care of that also. Kind of went through and looked at everything and says, okay, that's it. I can handle the rest of this stuff. Then what you do is you click create. You can email that. Just click on that, put an email address. It'll go right to whoever you want to send it to, or you can text it. And if we say done there, or we can go to preview, take a look at it, review it, see if this is exactly what we want. Send this off to you can create or view it as a PDF and then save it as a PDF and then go ahead and send that off in an email. So once again, this is Rick with Home Pro Inspections, and this is how we do a repair request within the tool. Thank you.